What is up, you guys? The Firework Festival Obby is almost here. 1 minute left. Yeah, it's 1 minute left until the new Obby comes out. I got my gang right here. 1 minute left, man.
Time is 0.
Almost.
0.
I'm guess.
And this.
See you.
I'm gonna join you.
She is gonna join the countdown. She is gonna join the countdown.
Hey, that's me.
Come on, join Sia. She is gonna join us, guys. Subscribe if you're hyped. Well, that's yeah. 45 seconds left. 45 seconds left, guys. I mean, 37, 36, 32. Come on. 29. Come on. We're so excited. Finally, a new Obby. A lot of people are. I got my gang. Oh, 10 secs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, it's out. Oh, wait, look, it's open. It's open. It's open. So how do you get in? How do you do this? Bro, how do you do this, man? What? What do I do? What? 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 Go on, join the rocket. Go to the rocket. Quick. She's gonna join the rocket. Boom.
Yay!
Okay. Go on. No, stay here. What is happening? Why? What is happening? Looks like, what do we do? No, how did it let us in then? How? I know. It's all, wait, this guy is saying it's all fake. Sue the creator. Bro, how is it fake if I literally made a video earlier that, like, bro? How? See, yeah, you have to stay here, because who knows? It might launch. Boom. Why? Okay, let's actually... there's a lot of people, so I can't really see. So there's like a roof. Yeah, there's a roof, but... Bro, fake. A lot of people are saying fake. Bruh. Guys, rejoin. Don't rejoin yet, see it, because who knows? I think... Oh yeah, you see it, we have to rejoin. I'm pretty sure you have to rejoin.
Yeah.
You don't want to do the obby? Okay, then we have to rejoin. Come on, rejoin. Just rejoin, that's it. Okay, so let's just join back. Okay, don't tell me this is all fake. I waited 3 days. 3 straight days, and don't tell me it's just nothing, man, bruh. Classic Sonic. Okay, it better better be real. Come on. I've been waiting 3 straight days. Come on. Don't tell me it's just fake.
Me, Harvey.
No, I'm pretty sure. Once not working, I have to rejoin again. Why? You're seriously gonna do me that? Bruh, I'm watching Sia's screen and it's not working for her.
It's working to me.
How's it not working? This is fake! What? Bruh. Yo, man. Don't tell me this is fake. If this is fake, I'm gonna be so angry. I think it's because, like, the timer just stopped. Come on, man. not working. Not working.
I'm tapping my head.
I am, bro.
I'm
Don't tell me
tapping my
this
head.
is a lie. This is a lie, guys. This is a lie.
Just being just.
Maybe. Look. Okay, so
Just
how to
being
do this,
just.
bro? These kids have no patience,
Tom! Tuya?
bro.
What are you doing?
Yo, how? I'm what? How do we go? This is a lie. Look, you can't even. Oh, wait. The obby's still there, but how do we like go there? Like, bruh.
Oh, neighbor. Tom! Yes.
Wait.
How?
You see that, right? Wait.
Yeah, and my head is going.
What? This is so weird.
Where my keyboard?
We just waited for 20 minutes. Yeah. I actually. No, I didn't actually wait. Yo, guys, I literally waited 2 hours. I didn't wait 20 minutes. I literally waited 2 hours.
Yeah, why did you out?
I don't know. It's fake. It's fake. This is a lie. I thought that was like an igniter, but it's just a balloon. Balloon. Okay, how are we supposed to do this? This is a lie. Wait a minute. Oh, never mind. That's just. Why is this new obby not working? Bruh, Sonic.
Why do you leave?
Wait.
That was Paige. What is she?
No. I'm going to Game Fam's group. So I'm just gonna tell them. I'm just gonna tell them. I'm just gonna say them. I'm just gonna say to them, "Yo, Game Fam, it's not working." Yeah, I am. Okay, so what is it? It's not loading. I got my internet. Yo, come on. Wait, come on. So see, just wait. Okay. So there. Wait, is it working? It work? Come on, I am.
Paige.
Oh, Game Fam. No, not that. Yo, Game Fam. Yeah, Obby. Just wait. Yo, Game Fam. Your Obby broken.
Join me.
Just wait. Post. There we go. Then let's just join back to the game. Don't tell me this is just a lie.
Done.
Bruh, I saw people spamming at Game Fam's group, man. I saw them spamming like they're saying, Game Fam, you'll all be broken. Okay, so I'm dead. Come on. Yo, everyone is waiting. Wait, did it work?
No.
What? You'll all be broken, Game Fam. Game Fam, if you're watching this, your obby's broken. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. Your obby's broken. Look at this. Your obby's not working. I waited 2 hours. I waited 2 hours. Just to grind.
What's never saying?
I waited 2 hours just to grind. I also have no patience. Bro.
About me, I say.
Game Fam. What?
Why this I
Yo,
say?
this is fake. A lot of people are screaming.
I didn't say it like that.
Yo, look at this. He's literally gonna do it. Bro, I'm gonna Alt F4. I'm done with this. Bro, that is epic. This guy's epic, man. What? Yo, this is a lie. It's fake. I'll show you how. how to go there. I'm gonna do this. I'll show you how to go there. If you didn't know, you can actually go there. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Okay, see, you have to follow me. Okay, I got the squad. I got the squad in there. Wait. Boom. Meet me. I was gonna say, meet me at Metal Madness Portal. Meet me at Metal Madness Portal. Right here. Right there. I'm gonna show them how to actually go there. Okay, so glitch, 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 glitch. Boom, glitch. Yo, glitched. I know how. So, yeah, guys, I'm teaching them how to glitch. So they can go to the new Obby. Come on. No, guys, it's real. If you didn't know, I actually made a video earlier. Like, okay, so like this, like this, like this. No, that's not how you do it, Sia. That's not how you do it. Okay, so reset. I'm just gonna be AFK for a second.
Go to here.
Okay, guys, so I'm actually teaching them. So like this, boom, and then it could take a few tries. It could take a few tries.
Why did that?
It's real, guys, okay? It's real. It's just kind of hard to do. Bro, everyone is literally screaming at me. Just saying, how? Teach me your words. Well, not really, but they're just wondering. And then, boop. So we actually glitched, but we fell out of the map. A lot of people wants the Obby.
I want to go too. Leave here, Hobby.
Yo, you don't want to join the squad? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. You can do whatever you want. Boom, and then boom. Okay, so boom. No, not like that. Bro, I have a feeling they're just gonna say fake. If you, yeah. Yeah, I'm guessing. Yeah, it could take a few tries, guys, okay? It could take a few tries. Boom. I'm actually here, so I have to glitch.
How? I know how.
So I'm just gonna do it with for Sia. Bruh. Reset. Cause Sia failed. Well, not really, but I failed. Wait, Sia. Okay. Boom! Then it could take us. Remember, you go right here. What? I'm out. I'm back in bounds, man, bro. I'm literally back at bounds, bro. Bro, someone's literally private chatting me just for like fun. So one guy actually made it, so that's pretty cool, I guess. Okay, boom. No, it could take a few tries. This might take an entire 30-minute thing. This actually might take 30 minutes. But it's 15 minutes into the video. And boom, we did it. No,
I want to do wrong, hobby.
I did it.
I want to go to that hobby.
I did it.
How did it?
I should have done this in the first place. Boom. I fell. Go to the tall rocks in by the background. Look the loop. Yo, this is literally, bro. I'm literally, yo. These guys doesn't know how. Like, yo, or look, if you don't know how, you can Google. Go to the tall rocks and do the same thing. Yo, it's been 17 minutes and these guys doesn't even know how. Well, I think it's because I'm the glitch master. Well, not, well, they don't really call me that, but don't worry. I'm gonna try to complete this actually. Boom. Boom. There. Boom. Yo, this, did I tell you guys that this is actually a pretty cool obby? Like, it's actually a pretty good. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Yo, I'm about to complete this. Yeah, just wait. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, yes, go. Oh, almost fell. Almost fell. Boom. Then, so, boom. Boom. Then, boom, boom. And boom. I did it. And actually, this is the secret vending machine. So right there, so you can get that. So Sunshine Trail, you get 100% chance of getting it. It's, yeah, every time you actually do this, you get that. Cause okay, so yeah, teleport back to lobby right there. Back. So this guy says he knows a different way. Which I think nothing can top my way. But okay, so he goes here. Here. Okay. Oh, it's like is it like the ramp thing? What? How did he do it? No, he didn't. See, it's tricking me that he rebirthed. What? Okay. Oh, oh, I know what he did. Boom. Easy. What's his speed? Level 864. I just got 452. I don't know why I didn't get it, but